If you are thinking about becoming a truck, bus or coach driver but not sure where to start, well, one of the very first things that you will need to do is apply for a HGV or PSV provisional entitlement, and as part of that application you will need to visit a GP for a driver medical examination. In this video I'm going to talk you through step by step the whole process. We will cover things like where to get the D4 medical form, who can do the medical examination, what happens during the medical itself, who provides the cheapest medicals, sending the medical forms off to DVLA at the end. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how and where to have the medical. Before we get started, my name is Darren Wright, a Manc on a mission, and with over 30 years of driving experience, I have lived and breathed the transport industry, and now I'm here to share my experience with you. Whether you are thinking about becoming a truck or bus driver, or just want some guidance on how to get into the industry, or you might want some real advice, then you have come to the right place. From someone who has got years of driving experience. You might have seen me before talking on national news about the HGV driver shortage, or in a BBC documentary I featured in a few years ago, or maybe on my Manc on a Mission social media platforms where I'm out on the road talking to real drivers who share their stories of what it's like to be a professional driver in today's world. Right, let's crack on. First, you need to start off by getting a D2 form, which you can pick up from your local post office. The D2 form is normally kept behind the counter, so you'll probably need to ask a member of staff for a D2 form, which is a HGV and PSV provisional application form. The post office staff will hand you a brown envelope. Please make sure before leaving the post office that you have the correct application form, and you can do this by confirming there is a D2 in the top left hand corner of the envelope. Inside the brown envelope there will be two forms. One will be a D2 form, which is the HGV and PSV provisional application form. The second is the D4 medical form, which you will need to take with you when you visit a GP for a medical examination. My advice is to always keep the D2 form and D4 form in the brown envelope provided, as you will have less chance of misplacing them both. Once you have collected your D2 application form from the post office, you can go ahead and book your D4 medical. The most common places to get a D4 medical examination is with a local GP, or you can book an appointment with a D4 medical specialist provider. The difference between the two is the price, because your local doctor will charge you a minimum of £100, but with a D4 medical specialist provider, expect to pay half that price. On the day of the medical, I would advise filling out the section that applies to you on the medical form, which is the grey section on the left hand side of the front page before you arrive. This will save you time of having to be sat in front of the doctor filling out the forms. Also, at the bottom of every page of the medical application there is a small grey section which you will need to write your name and date it as well. My advice, fill the forms out and date it the same date of your medical. During the examination, the GP will ask you a few questions about your health, things like your eyesight, your medical history, any medication you may be taking, whether you have any conditions that could affect your driving. Just answer everything honestly and accurately, and once the doctor has finished the questions, he will carry out the medical examination itself. What's normally included? A blood pressure check, an eyesight test, some real general health questions, a review of your medical history. It's all very straightforward and usually doesn't take that long. When the medical is finished, the doctor will complete and sign the green sections of your D4 medical application form. Once you have passed the D4 medical examination, it's time to complete the D2 application form. On the first page of the D2 form, you will be asked, what provisional entitlement are you applying for? If this is your first time of applying for a HGV or PSV provisional entitlement, put an X in the first provisional entitlement box. Also, you'll be asked what categories are you applying for. My advice is put an X in the all lorry and boxes box, because this will give you the provisional entitlement for both HGV and PSV. The rest of the form is self-explanatory, so please read it carefully and complete it by either filling in the relevant sections or marking the application boxes with an X. If a question does not apply to you, simply just leave it blank. Please complete the application form using a black pen and write it in capitals. Check all your answers carefully before submitting the D2 form. Make sure you write your name, address, date of birth and driving licence number out clearly. Now you're ready to send your application off to DVLA. So let's just take 2 minutes to check everything and make sure that your D2 application form is filled in properly and the doctor has signed your D4 form and nothing has been missed. And once you are happy, put your completed D2 form and D4 medical form along with your current driving licence into the brown envelope. And you want to address it to DVLA, Swansea, SA99 1BR. Personally, I would recommend sending it to DVLA by recorded delivery because you don't want it getting lost in the post, and for the cost of a couple of quid, it will give you peace of mind knowing that it's going to arrive safely to DVLA. Once you have posted it to DVLA, it should take about 2 weeks for you to get your driving licence back with your provisional entitlement added. And that's it, the whole process of getting your D4 medical examination. One last thing that's important to remember is that you cannot book or sit in a theory test until DVLA have added the provisional entitlement to your driving licence, but that does not stop you from revising for your theory test. If you choose to use a D4 medical specialist rather than go with your local GP, then I would recommend D4 drivers as they specialise in driver medicals and have clinics all over the UK. And if you use the discount code Manc, the medical examination will cost you just £55 with a little commission going towards supporting this channel. If you found this video useful, do us a favour and share it with anyone who you think might want to become a HGV or PSV driver. And if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below. I'm Darren Wright, I'm Manc on a mission. Thanks for watching and I'll see you at the next time.